Model: Ford Ranger Diesel Pickup Double Cab Limited 2.2 TDCi 154-wheel drive, low mileage, needs turbo. Very nice bargain. OK hand medium light skin tone. Body: blue 4x4. Mileage: 85,313. Engine: 2198 cc 2.2 150 PS TDCi. Transmission: 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Easy repair if you know what you're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Well worth getting this back on the road. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric